Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. Look what turned up yesterday. I think I cried all day. This is from the wonderful Theo, and she sent me this as a gift, which I really don't know what I've done to deserve it, to be honest with you, because you guys are doing, you know, more work than me probably. Yeah, I'm doing a lot of things behind the scenes, trying to get us new members and you know, keeping you all motivated and putting the things together and doing the cards and that. But you guys, I couldn't do this without you. So you know, I really don't know what I've done to deserve this. I can only call this magnificent. And Charles, this is not the time. I didn't really want your furry legs in the way. Not right now. Honestly, I can only say that this is, I don't think I've ever seen something as beautiful. I've never ever had a fabric journal, number one, and I've never had anything as stunning as this. And the more I look through it, the more things I notice. I mean, it is just this beautiful, gorgeous lace covered journal, and there are these gorgeous flowers and little words on there and blingy bits. And then on the back, I mean, look at the back. I mean, look at this on the back. This applique with these beautiful pearl beads and this gorgeous bead dangle on the side. And every single page is just breathtaking. It really is. I don't know what happened there. I thought my camera had cut out. Sorry. It is just breathtaking. Absolutely breathtaking. I mean, every page. I mean, so as we turn it over, I mean, look, there are these gorgeous images, and then you have these lovely dangles with these gorgeous words and beautiful trim and gorgeous laces up here and lovely dangly lace there. And then every page, or not every page, but I keep finding these little dangly charms. What does that say? Dream. Look at that little charm. Just adorable. Look at these lovely tassel lace. Oh, it's just beautiful. It's funny actually, because I entered a challenge with Mary Barrett, and I wanted to make a little fabric journal, and trust me, it was pants, really. It was. But anyway, I did look at some tutorials for making you know, a fabric journal, and the lady that I saw, I don't know her name, she had a journal, and I thought that was stunning. It was stunning. And I thought, oh my gosh, isn't that just phenomenal? And then Theo sent me this, and it's so strange because I did think when I saw the other one, oh my god, I would love a fabric journal. And I got the most magnificent journal. So Theo, thank you, thank you, thank you. I will treasure this forever. I really will. I just keep looking at it. It's just the images on here, look, and the appliques and these little rose lace pieces, and then these appliques here, just beautiful. And the beadwork, beading around the bead edge around that as well. And then on here we've got lovely fabric flowers, ribbon flowers, and look at this. This is gorgeous. I love this lace. This is looks like vintage, this one here under here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's just layers of layers and layers. I mean, I wouldn't like to count how many layers are just on each and every page. Oh, look, there's dangles everywhere. Look, there's another one there that says faith, and then there's another little charm up there. And these lovely beaded, well, oh, it's just beautiful. I mean, look, every single, I mean, look at this. Oh my god, look how many layers there are there. Look, there's a vintage doily under there. Isn't that just beautiful? Look at that. Oh my gosh. It is just delicious. Look at this. And this here. So many gorgeous, scrumptious ribbons and laces. Trust. Oh. And then you've got Brave, and there's this lovely rose sort of trim ribbon. And here, look, she's, oh, I don't know what they are. Look, there's little, I don't know if you can see them, these little flowers here. Look at these. I never noticed this yesterday. See what I mean? Every time I look at it, I notice something different. I mean, that's just the middle of it. I mean, it's just beautiful. Look at this. There's another one of those. Oh, look at this. Oh, gosh. Wonder. Look at the images. I do not even know how she has done these. What she's printed this on, I do not know. And just look, just, oh, it's just delicious. It really, really is. I'll just get these beads out of the way. I mean, look at this. Isn't this just absolutely, it's beautiful. That sums it up. Beautiful. Oh, look how blue her eyes are. Oh, I just love it, Theo. Thank you so much. Honestly, I cried when I saw it, because even though I'd seen the photos of it, oh, Charles, no. Even though I'd seen the photos of it, it does not do it justice. You know, I knew that it was beautiful, but until you actually hold it and, oh, more vintage lace, hold it and look at it, you can't even grasp how beautiful this journal is. And look, happiness. Theo, my darling, you did make me very happy. You do make me happy. You all make me happy. And I didn't need gifts to make me happy to have you guys, but I will treasure this forever, I promise. It is just beautiful. What I need now is a box to put it in, because I do not want anything harming her. She is just gorgeous. Thank you so much, Theo, darling. I will treasure her forever, and I just wanted to show you guys just how beautiful this gift is, and thank Theo for it. But thank you for watching. I will be back later on with some more things that have arrived in the post. Keep up the good work. You're all doing amazing. Loving seeing what you're sending in, and inspired so much to do more myself. But I am behind the scenes doing things, so trying to get more members. And if you do have any more crafty friends in the UK, please invite them to the group. We're nearly at 300, which means another giveaway, and I will be showing the rack, this week's rack, today or tomorrow. The recipient has not received the rack yet, I'm presuming, because I haven't heard anything from last week, but I will be sending out the next one tomorrow, and I will give you a sneaky peek at what it is. It's gorgeous, by the way. Right, okay, I'm going to go. I'll be back later. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.